Hi guys, I'm glad to see you back. I'm trying to vlog a bit more often and show you wrappers life from inside. Today we're here at Wrap Style Sydney. Let's walk inside the workshop and have a look what's waiting for us. We'll need a tripod. Hi Mike.
Mine.
What we have some cool cars, 370Z. I mean, and we have Peter.
Hey.
How's it going?
Good.
Audi is still not ready.
No. Still some.
Yesterday Peter was saying that Audi will be ready tomorrow, and today is tomorrow.
But it's 11 o'clock. 11. Not 5.
Okay, our plan for today to finish this Audi. You gonna make it?
Yeah, if you help me.
Okay, thank you. That's it. Let's go and grab something. How are you going?
Yeah, not bad.
Not bad. What's going on? What are you up to?
Stripping the bar. Stripping the bar.
Okay. Still need to wrap bonnet, roof, boot, ribbon. A bit more. That's it. Let's take our tools and start laying some film. Nissan 370Z. Sleeping? Such a beautiful color. Okay, let's do bonnet. Our plans has changed. Instead of doing bonnet, now we will tint some taillights and headlights. We will use tinted paint protection film for this job. I can't wait to show you. Dark shade for the back and light shade for the front. One side is done, let's tint the other side. Taillights finished, let's do headlights. For our headlights we'll use light shade of paint protection film just to protect them, and we don't want to make them too dark. How are you going?
Oh yeah, slowly getting there.
Okay, headlights are tinted. Let's continue working on this Audi. And now it's time to wrap bonnet. Before I will wrap the bonnet, customer want to have embossed Audi badge, and we'll put it there. We're done with the bonnet. Let's have a look what Peter is doing.
Hey?
What are you doing?
I don't know, just trying to put it on.
One side is finished. And he's still working on the other side. It looks beautiful. Okay, what we can do next? We still can wrap boot and roof. But roof, let's leave till last because we will install gloss black paint protection film on it. Let's leave it for tomorrow. Need your help.
You need my help?
Yeah.
Alright.
For me, Egyptian cotton is up to be already on me. I'm wondering what you got for me. Egyptian cotton is up to be already on me.
So guys, we're done for today. Audi is almost finished. Tomorrow we still need to do roof and put all parts back together. Can't wait to see final results. See you, Mike.
See ya, mate. Thanks for your work.
See you, Peter.
See ya.
See you, bro.
See you.
See you, man. Clarity of this tinted paint protection film is just amazing. And now is the time for the roof, and we are wrapping it in Gloss Black PPF. Can't wait to see results and show it to you. Gloss Black PPF looks insane. It's really game changer in wrap industry, but only one downside, that you will need extra time to wrap a roof or any other panel, because it's wet application and you need to wait till it dries, and only then you can wrap around the edges. So guys, as you see, Audi is finished. Let me know what you think about this color. Behind me we have our newest project. Stay tuned for that. If you don't want to miss it, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.